Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I am Sagar Shah from PriceCard.in, co-founder of PriceCard.in. Actually, in today's competitive e-commerce market, more and more e-commerce portals are coming. So actually, consumer looking for lowest price for their favorite stuffs. So we have included all the things that consumer wants in today's e-commerce market. So we designed PriceCard.in. Who we are? We are price comparison portal. We also have coupons, deals, daily deals from top e-commerce portals listed with us. So if you are looking for any deals, offers, or any kind of lowest price on your favorite stuff, we are having that. Why to compare price? As everyone looking to save money on their favorite stuffs. So by using PriceCard, you can save money as well as time to get your favorite stuff at lowest price and on time. As we told, we are saving your time and money. How? Here is a comparison how to save price without and PriceCard and with PriceCard. Without PriceCard, you are finding like deals on Google. You are googling it. You can find stores like Home Shop 18, Snapdeal or Flipkart, and you simply go through it and simply purchase and check out. While you use PriceCard, you have not an option of comparing price. We have also a discount coupon listed with us for particular products. So whenever you visit PriceCard, you get a lowest price, plus you can get a discount coupons and you can check out truly, and you can of course save money. Our vision is to be the leading one-stop platform for your offers, service and particular products. Story so far, we have already included hundreds plus online stores, 9 million. We are comparing books of 9 million plus books. We are comparing price of 9 million plus books, and we have 4,500 registered users till now from past 2 years. As we are working with our college days, so recently we had graduated, and for us this is the platform to get a better growth in upcoming e-commerce market. We have a daily deals listed with us, so that if you are looking for deals from Flipkart, Snapdeal or any other e-commerce portals, you can find all the deals at one place, so that you don't have to visit any particular stores daily. Is that enough? No. We have already designed a price comparison extension, which price comparison extension for Google Chrome users. It gives a best price in browser, so that if you are visiting like Flipkart.com and for particular product, you can get a option to check price and coupons in your browser as well, so that you don't have to visit PriceCard again and again and searching for particular product, and of course it helps to save time and money. One final thought, add savings to a cart with PriceCard. So I thought it will be more useful for the youngsters who are using online e-commerce for their daily shopping needs. So I request you to at least try it out and give us feedback, so that we can improve the same and serve more and more savings in upcoming days. Thank you. Thank you very much.